Today we're going to be doing an oil change on this 2024 Hyundai Elantra with a 2.0 liter engine in it. So this is the 2.0 liter engine. It holds 4.5 quarts of 0W20 oil. So the tools you're going to need to complete this job is a funnel, something to catch the oil with, so a bucket, oil catch can, a 17mm socket. You'll need a 3/8 ratchet and also a 27mm socket for the oil filter housing, and your oil, 0W20, and an oil filter. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is remove your oil cap. And I like to place it right here in the hood latch so that you won't forget to put it back on when you're done. You can't close the hood. Next, we'll go ahead and lift the car up so we can drain the oil. So from under the car, you can see that right here is our drain bolt, 17mm. Right here is our oil filter housing. This is a 27mm. So we got our oil drain pan in place. I'm gonna go ahead and break this free and drain the oil. Now we're gonna take our 27mm socket with an extension and remove this oil filter housing. You also want your drain pan under this because some oil will spill out of here. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put in the new oil filter. So we'll take the old one out, pop it out just like that. And inside here, you do have the O-ring for the oil filter, and there's a tab. If you can't see the tab right here, you can go ahead and pull it to get the oil filter O-ring out. All right. So now you want to put a light coat of oil on the new O-ring. And place it back into the housing with this little tab pointing upward. All right, so once it's in, you just press it in place. And then pop your new oil filter on. And that's it. Now we can install it back onto the engine. All right, so when tightening this down, you don't want to make it too tight because this is plastic. It can break. You can easily strip these off, so be careful with it. And remember, this car takes 4.5 quarts of 0W20. Last, remember to replace your oil cap.
That's how you do an oil change on a 2024 Hyundai Elantra. You can check the description for any tools that you may need to help you complete this job. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was, hit the like and comment, and also subscribe and share. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.